When I received the LMR SDR 1.1 kit of components and PCB separately, I had no idea of where to start. In case of my previous ECBTEX project, there was a step-by-step manual on which components to mount first and next. Then I remembered what one overseas ham had posted as a comment below one of the ECBTEX videos. Start with low-lying components like resistors and diodes first, then go for the components like relays with a larger profile. Hence, I located a packet of 1K resistors from the kit and started off with it. Took a pair of powerful glasses and searched the tiny print on the PCB and located the first set of 4 1K resistors and soldered them. Had to use same glasses to solder because it was a thickly populated PCB and I did not want a solder bridge. As usual, I had my N95 mask and couple of fans to keep off the melting flux from my nose. Still, I had to use breath holding during soldering because the field was quite near my nose with the powerful glasses with short focal lengths. I was always worried that the soldering iron would touch my face. Moved on to the next set of 1K resistor slots which I could locate. In spite of meticulous care, I closed off the hole for a nearby capacitor with the solder flowing into the nearby hole. I kept it like that for a later day to figure out how to remove it and get the capacitor there when I start fixing them. Finally, with a lot of effort by my standards, I could finish all the 19 1K resistors in the kit and I called it a day. I had a talk with VU3GEX who told me that there are a few surface mount regulator ICs which are also low-lying which need to be fixed in the initial part of the project. Now I have to figure out how to mount them as I have never soldered surface mount devices. In fact, I had asked VU3ZOF to send the board after soldering the SI5351, which is a tiny SMD. VU3GEX tells me that these ICs will not be as difficult as SI5351. Let me see.